Have a go at this question. Solve x divided by 2 minus 3 equals 11. And the idea is for us to find out what the value of x is. I'll show you the solution on the next slide. We have the equation x divided by 2 minus 3 all equals 11. The first thing I'm going to do is to add 3 to both sides of this equation, as you can see here. Now, if we look to this, you can see we have minus 3 plus 3, which clearly equals 0. So on the next line, we can now write x divided by 2 plus this 0 equals 14. And of course, the 14 has come from the 11 plus 3. So the next step shows us we have x divided by 2 equals 14. It's now a case of getting rid of the 2 that's dividing the x so we can isolate x and have x equals whatever it's going to equal. And the way in which you can do that is to multiply both sides by 2, as you'll see in the next step. Going on to the next step, we have x divided by 2 multiplied by 2. I also have to multiply the other side by 2. Now the 2's will cancel on this side, giving us x, and the other side will be 28, because 14 times 2 is 28. Now substitute this value into the original equation, so you can see we have 28 divided by 2 minus 3. And of course, 28 divided by 2 is 14, minus 3 equals 11. And of course, we can see it agrees with this 11. Consequently, this x equals 28 is correct.